Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are very happy to have you see our video. This is part 2 of our series on whether you should buy Retread tires. In this segment, we'll provide you with expert advice and practical tips to help you navigate the world of Retread tires effectively. We'll cover essential steps and considerations that can assist you in making an informed decision about this tire option. Let's dive in and empower you with the knowledge you need. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. Factors to consider when buying Retread tires. Retread tires, also known as remanufactured tires, can be a cost-effective alternative to brand new tires. However, before making a decision, it's important to carefully consider certain factors to ensure that you are making a wise investment. The following factors should be taken into account when buying Retread tires: manufacturer reputation, tread design and quality, and proper maintenance and usage. Manufacturer reputation. When it comes to Retread tires, one of the most crucial factors to consider is the reputation of the manufacturer. It's essential to choose a manufacturer with a strong track record of producing high-quality Retread tires. Look for companies that have been in the industry for a considerable amount of time and have established themselves as leaders in the field. Opting for a reputable manufacturer will give you peace of mind regarding the quality and performance of the Retread tires you purchase. Tread design and quality. Tread design and quality play a significant role in the overall performance and safety of Retread tires. It is important to select a tread pattern that is suitable for your specific driving conditions and requirements. Whether you need tires for highway driving, off-road adventures, or wet weather conditions, there are various tread designs available to cater to different needs. In addition to tread design, the quality of the Retread tires materials is also paramount. A reputable manufacturer will use high-quality materials and employ advanced manufacturing processes to ensure the finished product meets or exceeds industry standards. This ensures that the Retread tire will provide adequate traction, handling, and durability, offering a safe and reliable driving experience. Proper maintenance and usage. While Retread tires can be a cost-effective option, proper maintenance and usage are crucial for maximizing their lifespan and performance. It is important to adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines for tire maintenance, including regular inspections, correct inflation pressure, and proper alignment. Maintaining the tires properly helps to prevent premature wear and ensures optimal performance. Additionally, it's essential to use Retread tires according to their intended purpose. Consider factors such as load rating and speed capabilities when purchasing Retread tires to ensure they are suitable for your specific vehicle and usage requirements. Using the tires within their recommended limits will enhance their longevity and ensure safe driving conditions. Comparison with new tires. When deciding whether to buy Retread tires, it's important to consider how they compare to new tires. In this section, we will explore the key factors of price, performance, and lifespan to help you make an informed decision. Price comparison. One of the main advantages of Retread tires is their cost-effectiveness. Compared to new tires, Retreads are typically more affordable. This is because Retreads reuse the existing tire casing and only replace the worn-out tread, resulting in lower manufacturing costs. As a result, Retreads can offer significant savings, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious individuals or businesses. Performance comparison. Performance is a crucial aspect to consider when choosing tires. While some may assume that Retread tires compromise on performance, this is not necessarily the case. Retreads undergo a rigorous inspection process to ensure their quality and safety. In fact, Retreads can often deliver comparable performance to new tires in terms of traction, grip, and handling. It's worth noting that the performance of Retreads may vary depending on the manufacturer and the specific application they are intended for. Lifespan comparison. The lifespan of tires is another vital consideration. New tires generally have a longer lifespan, as they haven't been previously used. However, Retread tires can still offer respectable durability and mileage, especially when they are properly maintained and used within their recommended parameters. It's important to note that the lifespan of Retread tires may be affected by factors such as the quality of the casing, the the maintenance practices, and the type of vehicle they are used on. Overall, when comparing retread tires to new tires, they hold up well, especially considering their cost savings. With careful consideration of factors like price, performance, and lifespan, retread tires can be a viable and economical option without compromising safety or reliability. Remember, choosing between retread and new tires ultimately depends on your specific needs, budget, and preferences. It's always a good idea to consult with a tire professional or trusted mechanic who can provide personalized advice based on your unique circumstances. Where to buy retread tires? When it comes to purchasing retread tires, you have a few options available to you. In this section, we'll explore two common avenues for buying retread tires: authorized dealers and online retailers. Authorized dealers. One of the most reliable ways to purchase retread tires is through authorized dealers. These dealers are authorized by retread tire manufacturers to sell their products and often have a wide selection available. Here are some benefits of buying from authorized dealers. * Quality assurance. Authorized dealers are backed by retread tire manufacturers, which means they adhere to strict quality standards. This ensures that you are getting a reliable product that has met industry standards. Expert advice. Authorized dealers have knowledgeable staff who can provide guidance on choosing the right retread tires for your specific needs. They can answer any questions you may have and help you make an informed decision. Warranty support. Should any issues arise with your retread tires, authorized dealers are equipped to handle warranty claims and provide necessary support. This gives you peace of mind and reassurance in your purchase. To find authorized dealers near you, you can visit the websites of retread tire manufacturers or contact their customer service for a list of authorized dealers in your area. Online retailers. In the digital age, online shopping has become increasingly popular, and the same goes for buying retread tires. Online retailers offer convenience and a wide selection of products. Here are some advantages of purchasing retread tires from online retailers. * Convenience. Online shopping allows you to browse and purchase retread tires from the comfort of your own home. You can avoid the hassle of visiting physical stores and have the tires delivered directly to your doorstep. Wide selection. Online retailers often have an extensive range of retread tire options available. You can easily compare different brands, sizes, and prices to find the best fit for your vehicle and budget. Customer reviews. Online retailers typically provide customer reviews and ratings for products. Reading these reviews can help you gauge the quality and performance of the retread tires you're considering, allowing you to make an informed decision. When buying retread tires online, it's important to ensure that you are purchasing from reputable retailers. Look for websites that have secure payment methods, clear return policies, and positive customer feedback. Final verdict. When it comes to the decision of whether or not to buy retread tires, there are several factors to consider. In this final section, we will weigh the pros and cons discussed earlier to arrive at a clear verdict. Cost effectiveness. Retread tires are undeniably more cost-effective than their brand-new counterparts. By utilizing the existing tire casing and applying a new tread, retreads can offer significant savings without sacrificing performance. This makes them a popular choice for budget-conscious individuals and commercial fleet owners alike. Durability and performance. While retread tires have come a long way in terms of durability and performance, there is still some debate in the industry. Advocates argue that retreads can perform just as well as new tires, especially when they are manufactured by reputable retreading companies with stringent quality control processes. However, skeptics express concerns about potential issues such as the risk of tread separation or reduced traction. Environmental impact. Retread tires are often touted for their positive environmental impact. By extending the lifespan of tires through retreading, fewer tires end up in landfills, reducing waste and conserving valuable resources. This eco-friendly aspect appeals to those who prioritize sustainability and want to minimize their carbon footprint. Safety considerations. Safety is an important aspect to consider when it comes to purchasing tires. While retread tires undergo rigorous inspections and must meet specific industry standards, there is still a perception among some consumers that they may be less safe than new tires. However, it's important to note that Retread tires are commonly used in commercial applications and have proven to be reliable when properly maintained. It's crucial to consider factors such as driving conditions, driving habits, and the reputation of retreading companies when making a decision. Consulting with a trusted tire professional can provide valuable insights tailored to your unique circumstances. In summary, when considering whether to buy Retread tires, it is important to weigh the pros and cons. Retread tires can offer significant cost savings compared to new tires, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, retreads can be just as safe and reliable as new tires when properly manufactured and maintained. However, it is crucial to only purchase retreads from reputable sources that adhere to industry standards and have a proven track record of quality. Ultimately, the decision to buy Retread tires depends on individual preferences, priorities, and budget constraints. That concludes part 2 of our series on whether you should buy Retread tires. We hope the expert advice and practical tips shared in this segment have helped you make an informed decision about optimizing your tire selection and ensuring road safety. Remember that Retread tires can be a cost-effective choice when used wisely. If you found this 2-part series informative and valuable, please show your support by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing these videos with others, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.